Hey everybody, welcome back to Rusty Wrench Restorations, and as always I'm still Steve. So today we're on another field trip, going to get something new. When I say new, I don't mean just new to me, but like new. So something I've wanted for years and now quite literally need is a new trailer. Not only a new trailer, but one that's longer and can carry more weight. So the current trailer I've been using is a 16-foot PJ trailer with a load capacity. It's rated for 7,000 pounds. Of course, you have to take the weight of the trailer out of that. So like looking at like 5,300. And the crawler with the blade on it is right around there. In fact, I want to say it's like 5,600. So in all reality, we're overweight when we put that crawler on the trailer. So just from a safety standpoint, I need something that can carry a little more weight. Obviously, I'd like something with a little more length because the trailer plow that I just picked up, I'm going to want to put that behind the crawler for plow days. So obviously, I'd like to take them both at the same time so I don't have to make trips back and forth. So anyway, headed up to Amelia, Virginia. It's about 2.5 hours northwest of where I'm at. And we're going to get a brand new 2024 Lamar 24-foot, 14,000 pound capacity equipment trailer. So it's going to be a great addition to the channel and definitely help me out with getting equipment and being safe on the road and everything. So anyway, I'll get some video up there and show you some of the cool features it has. So we'll see you in a bit. All right. Today's the day. Here we are, Countryside Trailers in Amelia, Virginia, 804-561-3518. It's right across the street from where they do Field Days of the Past. It's right over there. Boom, look at that bad boy. 24-foot Lamar, 14K trailer. Thing's awesome. So some of the cool features I was telling you about that I got for this one, or that this one has on it, it's got the twin 12,000 pound dollies. Right, so just like your semi-trailer trucks, you know, you got a nice dolly system for it. Got the spare tire, always good to have. And then this is really the big feature that I wanted, the mega ramp. So they're in the up position right now because, well, I'm not used to driving this trailer and I need to know where the back is. But so they can go in this position, or they'll fold down flat to continue the levelness of the trailer, and then obviously they fold down. But the big reason for getting these was the small gap in here. It's a little bit bigger than my finger. So now I can get Sweaty Betty, any of the narrow front tractors, smaller tractors, the trailer plow with the tail wheel. I can get it loaded by myself and not have to worry about trying to get a tire stuck in there. So anyway, that's it. I'm gonna head home and see how she drives.
Perfect.
That's just a sweet rig right there. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this thing and enjoying it for years to come. So I did make a quick pit stop. I am currently at the Keystone Truck and Tractor Museum in Colonial Heights, Virginia. So if you have never been and are able to go, I highly recommend it. It's literally right off I-95. So easy to get in and out. They got a gift shop with shirts and souvenirs and whatnot, and rows and rows and rows of tractors, trucks, gas pumps, cars, motorcycles, tools, you name it. They got a little diner cafe inside which has awesome food. So anyway, that's it for this video of the trailer. Watch the next video. I'm about to do a whole spiel of inside Keystone Truck and Tractor, so it's an amazing place. But anyway, glad to add the Lamar equipment trailer to the fleet, and I'm sure you'll be seeing it in many more videos to come. So with that being said,
peace.